Welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Hi and welcome everyone, my name is Bruce. Bonjour, merci tout le monde d'être passé. We're looking at the surface of the moon. Mare Serenitatis up on the top there, Mare Imbrium on the bottom. Look at the greens and the browns. And they change colors inside of the mares. You see different colors. Look at there's right there, that red dust area where it's always red at the bottom of Mare Serenitatis. We are going to look at some amazing natural colors on the surface. Whether they be natural or not, minerals, that I don't know. All I know is that it's beautiful and that we could see some of the changes of that. A lot of browns on the surface, and since I've upped the megapixels of the camera, I'm seeing a lot clearer detail and the colors are just absolutely exquisite. Are they changing those colors? They are changing to some point. And that's what we're going to continue to analyze, of course, by gathering footage over and over. See that nice blue line around the moon? We'll see that later on too. So now let's look at some amazing surface anomalies. Even some areas that look like bridges, like here in connections. Here is some other structuring. But look here inside of the darkness. And look at these patches. And the color, of course, the green color or blue that we see other structures underneath that haze. So whether it's a haze, whether it's a deliberate camouflage, here, look at that. Is that not relaxing for the eyes? By inverting it simply, we can still see the patches again, the objects underneath this patched area, these patched areas, if you want. I can't say anything else. It looks like a smoke running over the surface in those areas. Is that smoke changing? You can see there the structures underneath, natural or not, of the smoke or haze, even a bridge there we just saw. The blue line around the moon, this is the strawberry moon of June 17th, more June 18th at 2 o'clock in the morning, actually early, and just a straight up shot. The beautiful greens here, Mare Serenitatis, pointing Mons Argaeus, 3 lines connected to this light source, where the supposed Apollo 17 would have landed. Those objects, natural or not, could be mountains because we're not close enough, they're there. And the red patch you just saw right there on the bottom. This photo is simply inverted, an inversion photo of the Apollo 11 moon landing area. Hopefully you're not seeing any lines. It often appears when I upload these darn videos, and they're not in the videos here. When I make them, but that's the uploading quality, of course. Mons Argaeus, have you ever seen an amazing surface, colorful surface like that? And of course, the reason I'm showing it of this depth of field is so that you could see it properly, and that's why sometimes the photos are smaller or larger, closer or not. It's for us to be able to see the surface. Here's a close-up, look at that. Mons Argaeus, absolutely incredible. And you can see the lines still there on the left, 1, 2, and 3 lines that cross off where they would have supposedly landed. And don't forget, this is where they said they would have planted probes in the lunar surface there. On the west side of Mare Serenitatis, we see this line connected to all these bumps. We're going to call them bumps because we're not close enough, of course. That's all we're seeing, right? This is beautiful Mare Crisium. Just a real, of course, we're really close up. But look when I invert it, we can no longer see the center of the mare, but now look at all the beautiful objects that are around Mercuricium, and this is shown in a very natural way. We just don't see them. This is why I like seeing it like this. Mons Argaeus, here again. And that's why I look at it this way with that inversion. Beautiful. As we zoom up here on Mare Serenitatis. Guys and girls, I have to thank you all for coming here to support this channel, and I can't say it enough. Please hit the notification button, even though it doesn't work. Subscribe if you do support this channel. I don't ask for that much support. I mean, like in a way of subscribing. I mean, I don't hassle people to hit that bell and stuff. Here's Copernicus crater. Look at the objects all around it and inside. But I am asking you guys, and why? Well, it's because shadow banning channels, whether some channels are shadow banned or not. Here's Sinus Iridum. My channel, for some reason, is not getting out and has stopped even more and more and more from getting out. So I want to say thank you, and to do nothing less than what you're doing right now by coming here, viewing the videos, when you share the videos on platforms. I know a lot of you are doing it. Martin Holmes and company, everyone's doing this. Thanks, guys. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, talk to people, mention it. If you do believe in the research and you do believe people have the right to know what's up there, just share this work, and it's greatly appreciated. This is Kepler crater, all around Kepler crater. Look at the beautiful mountainous objects. This is, again, very rarely seen because we're very, very close.
fire. Way up there, might on the moon. Aliens are gone. Aliens are gone. They may be coming soon. They may be coming soon. Aliens are gone. Just fire. Aliens are gone. And then my name may be coming soon. May be coming soon.
This is Houston. Say again, please.